Sims on my desktop despite spending all of last night setting it up because ran out of time and I had to pack. But now it's time to get on the train once again and head back to Rochester for at least a week after a day of traveling. Don't know if you can see all that crap out there. I think that's either dandelion stuff or dandelion fluff or some sort of plant matter, and I would like to say that that's probably because of my allergies right now, or one of the many causes of my allergies right now. But there are a lot of those things just blowing by. Don't think you can really see it. I don't think the contrast is good enough with this camera, but yeah, doing a couple of things. The internet here is good enough to like stream YouTube at 360p, which is really nice. I just have something on in the background, and also the train is quite empty. So yeah, there aren't a whole lot of people using the internet making it so that's possible. But have that on in the background while I'm trying to do this one silly thing. Unfortunately, I have to do this one project, not project, but it's one thing for a job, and they want the output to match exactly, but I'm pretty sure that the output that they have generated was generated with a Unix command line, because my output's matching up correctly with or visually it's matching up correctly with all the right spacing and all the new lines, but Windows uses different delimiters for outputting to console, so I'm not getting the right matches. It's really dumb. But I'm going to try to, what I'm doing right now is I have the developer command prompt open, and I'm going to attempt to compile this using, let's see, using this, and then I think...
Stop Springfield, please exit directly behind a cafe car, reach the uniform member of the crew. Springfield, now right.
We're not getting off at Springfield, but I should be able to compile it with this, and then diff the output straight out of command prompt with, with, oh, does this even let me open recents? No, darn. With the output that I just saved using Windows delimiters right here, so hopefully this will all work. Maybe. I have no clue if this is going to work. I'm really hoping that this is going to work, because other than that, I don't know how I'm going to submit this, because the output isn't going to match exactly, and I want the output to match exactly. Of course, this has to be the hardest part. Okay, I am going to try to make this work. It's so wobbly right now, but the rails are very wobbly, and as a result, we're very wobbly. These are the tracks. Not particularly comfortable. I thought that maybe the tracks would actually be wobbly, because I've seen some tracks like that before, but it doesn't appear to be the case. But as always, the shot from the back of the train always looks really cool, especially as it turns. Oh, only if the exposure was good. Oh, it's so wobbly. It's raining on that side very much. Oh, we missed it, but it wasn't raining on that side of the train for a little while. Although that looked cool, but the rain is coming down. It seems like the train has stopped oscillating. And oh, wow, it's really coming down. It is pouring right now. Wow, but the sun is up. I have a feeling there's going to be a rainbow soon. Maybe I'll get it on the vlog. We've only just gone up and now we're already going down, and this rain is coming down in sheets. Holy crap. It's also dripping a bunch in here. Ugh. Let's see if I can show you guys just how crazy the rain is. I wanted to do it before I got inside, but now we're going back outside so you can see it. It's pouring. Windy too. Departing at 7:05, but not even 7 yet. The rain has stopped though. Finally. It's been a long day. A very, very long day. And we are finally back. However, that means that, well, so normally the vlog is shot in here. But if we just wander over here, then this is the other half of everything. And this is why my bed is always a mess, because I don't need to like move stuff on and off that much. But yeah, we moved everything from that room into this room because originally the plan was to go to Massachusetts, then drive back up and pick up all my stuff and go back down to Massachusetts. But this week I have 2 interviews. Well, I have one scheduled this week and one that should be scheduled either sometime this week or next week. And of course I need to be here for both of those, so I guess now I have to, we have to figure out how we're gonna do this because all this crap needs to somehow not be in there while this room is still while at the same time having this room still be usable. So yeah, it's gonna be quite a bit of work, especially considering it's already late and we both just want to sleep. So I'm gonna end things off here. Gotta finish cleaning stuff off. I've gotten some stuff off the bed. But yeah, that's all for now. I do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all again tomorrow when I clean all this crap. So, until then, good night, guys. Things are slowly...